All right, just want to take a minute and talk about the track sled I built for ice fishing, trap line, etc. It's actually an old Scorpion snowmobile, 1971 Scorpion snowmobile. The tunnel and track and suspension. The suspension's been bolted shut. Original handlebars I utilized here, and this is all built with scrap metal I had from steel racking and whatnot. Harbor Freight motor, custom exhaust, and go-kart clutch kit. I got an ammo box here for a tool, fish hooks, things like that, extra whatever, mittens and stuff. LED light. Just toss a battery in here, rechargeable battery, plug her in, and I got light for nighttime. But that's basically it. It's been my 4th season with this thing. I have roughly $333 in this. Maybe a little bit more because I did use a couple different coats of paints throughout the years. But under $350 minus the sled. And I mean, a lot of guys build them $1,200, $1,400. They're doing all kinds of stuff with aluminum and stuff. A lot of guys buy the snow dogs, which you know, they're nice, but I can't justify spending that kind of money for something just to pull me and my tip-ups and ice shack out on the lake. This works great, and as long as the snow's not too deep and wet, it gets along good. Pack snow, ice with some weight on it, not a problem. Track isn't studded, but it bites down with some weight on it. It's a little slick at sometimes, but overall I haven't had any problems other than deep slush. But that's my track sled. I am planning on building a fancier one, all custom frame, and just using the track. Everything else is going to be custom, but this held up. This will be my 4th year with it. Just pulled it out of the barn, started right up, 3rd pull, and gonna get it ready for ice fishing season. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I appreciate it. Let's start a little discussion on what you think, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.